weren't able to do in the movies that you've been in?
Well, you know, he's a gambler, and you know, as well as being this sort of rogue. I don't know. I always thought that he would go back to running. You know, I always thought of him in the way I think of Steve Wynn, who runs Las Vegas. I always think of Lando as the kind of a guy that is that kind of an adventurer, you know, running a whole situation like that. Hosting, you know,
Thank you.
he has that in his quality.
Wouldn't you want to pick up a lightsaber?
You know, it's funny, you know, I've thought about that, you know, but I just never think of Lando really as a warrior. I don't see him really as a warrior. I just think he's just sort of charming, roguish kind of guy who's a host, you know, and he has other guys pick up lifesavers.
It would go well with your cape, yeah.
Well, you can use the cape for other reasons.
Maybe Lando's bedroom would have like lightsabers instead of neon.
Yeah, that would be pretty hip.
If J.J. Abrams is listening, that was my idea. Yes, sir.
I'm Gary. When filming a scene